great innovation, brilliant intelligence, Kailing technology, brilliant world. Shenzhen High-Grade Innovation Technology Development Company Limited, relying on its mother company, Shenzhen Sencom Technology Company Limited, which has accumulated strong supply chain and nearly 20 years of international high-end manufacturing experience, has rapidly grown into an advanced drone R&D and production base at home and abroad. Under the leadership of CEO Mr. Gao Jianming, has been forging ahead over 10 years and created billions of social value, as well as provided jobs with more than 10,000 people. From 2003 to 2004, with his professionalism in projects, good communication skills, integrity and excellent market development ability, CEO Mr. Gao has established business relations with top China mobile phone brands such as TCL, Bird, Konka, Haier, and ZTE. After that, the company began to expand overseas markets and became suppliers of many well-known foreign brands, such as Motorola, Nokia, LG, Samsung, Sharp, Sony, Fujifilm, HTC, etc., for its supplying of mobile phones, digital cameras, and MP3 models. In the meantime, it also manufactures protective sheath and keyboard for Samsung. After 2008, Sencom continuously optimized every process, and a management problem finally made itself a leader in the model industry. Since 2006, Sencom has successfully passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, IECQ HSPM QC 080,000 certification, and ISO 14,000 system certification. Meanwhile, it has implemented ISO 27,000 system and SA 8000 system within the company in 2011 to be more concentrated on R&D and production of articles. Sencom introduced top production equipment vigorously. Production equipment such as large tonnage Toshiba and Sumitomo injection molding machine, fully automatic manipulator, Charmier spark machine, three-dimensional projection measuring instrument are all available, from the product ID design, product structure design, mode processing, injection molding and coating, to the production of complete and efficient closed cycle. It is devoted greatly improve the product manufacturing capacity and shorten the product production cycle remarkably, as the product is continuously updating. Moore's theorem is infinitely close to the boundary. While Sencom refines its own simple formula in intricate industry, in 2014, it fully invested in the establishment of Shenzhen High-Grade Innovation Technology Development Company Limited, which is located in Shenzhen, China's innovation capital, and is fully committed to the UAV industry with the aim of developing and growing future global science and technology. From traditional manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, High-Grade focuses on innovation, independently developing drone flight control algorithm, image algorithm, video system software, power system software, FPGA online platform development, and some other software technologies. Its hardware can actualize all circuit design of drone products, including layout and wiring of circuit, and RF debugging of whole machine and module. MES system can solve the management problems of enterprise data, planning and scheduling, production scheduling, inventory, quality, and other management problems. We established an overall data center and introduced a series of top drone professional detection equipment, such as 6-degree integrated machine vibration table, battery charging and discharging test system, electric power test system, electromagnetic wave shielding room, camera analysis shed, etc. We check and control drone faults precisely, optimize drone performance deeply, as well as upgrade and improve quality of drone. Application for intellectual property patent more than 260 and a large amount of outstanding achievements. It has the capacity of providing all-round, whole process technical services and support, and obtained the affirmative opinions of General Secretary Xi Jinping during the inspection of Air Force Aviation University. As one of the few drone R&D and manufacturing bases in the world, High-Grade boosts the diversification of drone product application in compliance with international standards. The product line covers outdoor formation performance drone. Take. The distance between the performance machines is short, and its deformability is strong. ROC. Modular design. Anti-cold and low-temperature resistant. Philo RTK. Ultra-low altitude drone of outdoor formation. Indoor formation performance drone. Philo. Standard products with capacity of stable performance. Educational programming drone. Philo EDU. Strong deformability, high flexibility, have a large content of technology and artistry. Vogue. Designed for primary and secondary school students to develop creative thinking, guide children to establish programming ideas easily. At the same time, both consumer and industry-wide drones have mature programs and product layout. Since its debut in the Spring Festival Gala in 2018, High Grade has rapidly grown into the world's top 3 dimension drone formation art performance team in just a few years. We have carried out more than 5,000 wonderful performances, with more than 10 million people watching. The live visual feast and phenomenal events created by the company can easily obtain 10 million plus times of dissemination and marketing effect of 100 million plus class dissemination. It is the only firm in the world that can offer multi-rotor indoor performance, multi-rotor outdoor performance, fixed-wing hybrid formation performance services, and mass production drone formation suite product sales. With performance of dolphins leaping over Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge, presenting a logo of Digital Expo, acting coward and weaver, High Grade celebrated 40th anniversary of Shenzhen's reform and opening up with the drones swarming together with 43 buildings lighting show. 2,100 drones team up to challenge the world record. Kolong Hong Kong lights up China red, incarnates torchbearers of ethnic minority games with well-interpretation of sport spirit. And drones perform crossover in film and television field. Present the most beautiful Golden Rooster trophy. Thousands of drones salute Wuhan's reopening and light the dawn of victory, etc. It has created 2,100 outdoor and 180 indoor drone formation performances, recording one shoot. Illuminating the world with the light of drone technology, the United Arab Emirates, South Korea, the United States, Malaysia, Singapore, Dubai, the High Grade is going out of China and moving towards the world with great pride. The High Grade adheres to the idea of people-oriented, building employee spiritual civilization world by means of humanization concern, creating fine living conditions for staff, setting up integrated lifestyle from providing entertainment facilities such as gymnasium, billiard room, table tennis room, yoga room, library, leisure room, basketball court, to building service apartment as dormitories, and actively carrying out a series of diverse and colorful cultural activities to stimulate team belief and develop team potential. Be ambitious to integrate with us. Let's jointly light up the world. Light up China. Shine the world. Great innovation. Bright future.